Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys. You don't have permission to access to know how to fix or how to solve stumble guys. You don't have permission to access. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of stumble guys. Then in this page of app info, you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention.